Sometimes life feels like a rainy day,
Raindrops are falling on my head,
but you know what? That's okay.
just like a guy whose feet are too big for his bed. Nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling.
Every raindrop
on
is
my
a reminder
head. They
that
keep
life is
falling.
beautiful.
So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said,
So let's dance in the rain, splash in the puddles, and remember that sunny days are just around the corner.
raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling.